I'm very glad that today the show is getting inaugurated and the 8th edition of HIMTEX has grown strength to strength. Now we are with 5 halls and covering about 18,000 plus square meters and having 400 plus exhibitors displaying their products from machine tools, automation, robotics.
We are in Hyderabad once again. HIMTEX is a great place to start with. Machine tools in India, they have become second to none in the world today. So we are competing against the international brands. This is the right platform.
Today we are in Hyderabad for HIMTEX 2024 and certainly we are very much excited because this is going to be our first time exhibition in Hyderabad, and if you can see this Hyderabad territory, it's growing like anything from last couple of years, and there are so many aerospace companies, medical implants, and again die and mold industries are doing a tremendous pretty good job, and there are so many machine tool builders are focusing this territory especially.
ये हमारा थर्ड गोल्ड स्पॉन्सरशिप पार्टिसिपेंट है. अर्लियर 2 years भी हम गोल्ड स्पॉन्सरशिप थे और ये हमारा थर्ड है, क्योंकि हमें लग रहा है कि हैदराबाद आगे जाके काफ़ी पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स क्लाइंट एक बनने वाला है, और तेलंगाना जिस हिसाब से एरोस्पेस डिफेंस में जो डेवलप हो रहा है, तो उस हिसाब से लग रहा है कि यहाँ पर पार्टिसिपेंट होना कंटिन्यूस करना पड़ेगा. We are exhibiting here at HIMTEX, hall number 2 at Mano Marketing booth. We are displaying here a VTL machine. Basically it's a robust machine which is a very good presence in Hyderabad earlier also. So we request you to please join us and witness the finest product which we are making in India with Indian touch as well as the local support with the help of Mano Market.
We are into multiple laser products. We are here at HIMTEX, Hyderabad to showcase our cutting-edge industrial laser products. Here we do have 3015. It's a sheet metal cutting machine. It's a fiber laser cutting machine, and we are very excited. We think that we'll be getting good walk-ins over here. So Hyderabad, here we come.
Hyderabad is a very versatile market, so we have an opportunity for milling also, turning also, and as well as metal forming industries also. So we are looking for Hyderabad very aggressively, and we are shortly planned to open a tech center in Hyderabad also.
We are from Bangalore, LAZR-TECH. Here we provide complete solutions in sheet metal, right from laser cutting machine, bending machines, welding machines, and complete automation solution. Hyderabad market is very promising, and it's an opportunity for us to display our products and look forward to the opportunities.
I was here at HIMTEX when it started, the first edition we participated. And if you see over the years how HIMTEX have grown is amazing. And as this market, Hyderabad, Telangana, Andhra, one of the most prominent states right now in our country, I think next 4 days is going to be so exciting. So ensure you all be here.